Our company represents on market the technology and equipment for production of soft, round, seamless gelatin capsules. All kinds of vegetable oils and many kinds of animal fat can be placed inside a thin but strong gelatinous shell, which reliably preserves the contents for a long time. Our technology has no waste products and is the most efficient at cost of the finished products. If you have oil or animal fat, then getting our equipment and technology, you can easily produce round-shaped capsules with diameter of 1 to 10 millimeters. You can also smoothly adjust the weight of the capsule to the required. Gelatinous shell can be painted in any color. To start up business, you need to have the desire to produce capsules and small premises. The specialists of our company will give you a detailed description of our equipment features, make recommendations on preparation of your premises, help with finding raw materials, adjust equipment, and train you to work on it. We send the equipment and delegate our specialists to customers all over the world.